I'm JuliGTech and I am the JuliGTech avatar. I'm happy to have you here. I was created using CapCut and as you can see, I speak just like a real human. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create an avatar just like me. But I don't want to lose you after this video, so please subscribe to my channel. I have more smart tutorials coming your way very soon. Alright, let's dive into today's lesson.
Alright, so this is just simple as ABC. So right now you are on CapCut and this is the CapCut interface. So we are going to click here, marketing tools. So just click there, marketing tools, and then you hold on for a little bit and then it's going to open the interface that we are going to see next. Alright, so we have different menus here. So the one that we want to use for our job today is avatar video. So click on avatar video and then give it a couple of seconds and it's going to be loaded. So these are the avatars that we can see here, but we don't want to use this. We just want to use our own avatar. Alright, so here we are, and then these are the avatars. So we don't want to use this avatar. So first thing first, you click on this, choose avatar, and then you will see here my avatar. So click on the my avatar, and if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch the video right now, because that particular video explained how I created this particular avatar from a picture. So you click here and then you load the avatar that you have already created. So this is my avatar that I made with my picture. So when you click on this avatar, it is loading as you can see. So the next step, you come here to edit scripts, click on edit scripts, and then it is loading. And after it has been loaded, what you are going to do next is to enter your scripts, and I'm going to show you what you are going to do next, so stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it has been loaded. So you come here to edit scripts and then you see here edits. So you just click on that edit and it's going to take you inside this box. So highlights here and then remove it. So you can type your text and say, this is my avatar. I want to use this as an example to show how this avatar will be seen. In my previous video, you will see that this avatar has already been customized to use our own voice. So why it's going to read this for us, it's going to use our own custom voice and it's going to lip sync it very well. If you see here, you can add this double slash like this, and then it's going to pause for 3 seconds. Continue speaking blah blah blah, anything that you want to type. Alright, good. So now we click on save. You can come here, you can choose any caption style that you want, maybe any caption style, you can just choose it, and then when you are done, you just have to click on save, and we have already clicked on save. So and it's loading. So when it has been loaded, what you're going to do next is to click on export video. Alright, so when you click on export video, the video will automatically be downloaded and you will have your video. So when it comes to export video, you will see here better quality and also faster generation. So please subscribe to this channel, because what I'm going to show you next is how to make an animation with image. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing to this channel, and thank you for liking the video. Please put your comments in the comment section and see you in our next video.